Let's dive into the fascinating world of the brain and explore the intricate effects of eating disorders on its various parts. When an individual develops an eating disorder, such as anorexia nervosa or bulimia nervosa, it impacts multiple regions of the brain. The brain is a complex organ responsible for regulating hunger, satiety, emotions, and cognitive processes, and disturbances in these areas can occur in individuals with eating disorders. Let's start with the hypothalamus, a small but mighty region located deep within the brain. The hypothalamus plays a crucial role in regulating appetite and hunger. In individuals with eating disorders, the hypothalamus may become dysregulated, leading to disruptions in hunger and satiety signals. This can result in a distorted perception of hunger and fullness, causing individuals to restrict their food intake excessively or engage in binge eating behaviors. Moving on to the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, impulse control, and self-regulation. In individuals with eating disorders, the prefrontal cortex may exhibit altered activity and connectivity. This can lead to difficulties in making rational decisions about food intake and engaging in impulsive behaviors, such as compulsive exercise or purging. The amygdala, a key player in processing emotions, also undergoes changes in individuals with eating disorders. It can become hyperactive, leading to heightened emotional responses and increased anxiety around food and body image. This emotional dysregulation can further perpetuate disordered eating behaviors. Additionally, the insula, a region involved in interoception, the perception of internal bodily sensations, is affected in individuals with eating disorders. The insula helps us recognize and interpret sensations like hunger and fullness. In people with eating disorders, the insula may show altered activation, making it challenging to accurately perceive bodily cues related to hunger and satiety. Now, let's talk about the potential long-term damage if eating disorders persist. Prolonged malnutrition associated with anorexia nervosa can lead to severe consequences for the brain. The brain requires essential nutrients to function optimally, and inadequate nourishment can result in brain shrinkage, reduced grey matter volume, and impaired cognitive abilities. Furthermore, chronic malnutrition can impact neurotransmitter levels in the brain. Neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine play crucial roles in regulating mood and reward pathways. Imbalances in these neurotransmitters can contribute to the development of depression, anxiety, and other mental health disorders commonly seen in individuals with eating disorders. In addition to the physical effects, eating disorders can have significant psychological consequences. The constant preoccupation with food, body image, and weight can lead to obsessive thoughts, low self-esteem, and social isolation. These psychological symptoms can further exacerbate the existing mental health challenges, creating a vicious cycle that is difficult to break without appropriate treatment and support. It is essential to remember that every individual's experience with an eating disorder is unique, and the effects on the brain may vary. However, understanding the potential impacts on specific brain regions can shed light on the complexities of eating disorders and the importance of early intervention and comprehensive treatment. I hope this research and my notes and opinions have provided you with an understanding of what happens in the brain of a person who has an eating disorder.